Hi guys, I just realized that most of the people have this urge, well, including me, to upgrade without the clear reason why they want an upgrade. So minsan nga tinatanong ko yung sarili ko, bakit nga ba kailangan ko ng bagong cellphone, ng bagong sasakyan or bagong gadget? And if I can only answer that, saka ko pa lang siya bibilhin. Kasi most of the time, bumibili tayo ng bagay kasi nakita natin sa social media, sa advertisement, sa commercials, na without thinking na, gusto ko ba talaga yun? And guys, let's be honest, sometimes nagpapadala tayo sa bugso ng damdamin and the world just decide it for us. So when I realized that, inalign ko lahat ng priorities ko o kung tinanong ko sarili ko, nag-reflect ako kung ano ba talaga yung bagay na mga gusto ko. So for example, I have my 8-year-old scooter, yet still get me from point A to point B, still working. And yes, I could upgrade anytime, pero since hindi siya muna yung priority ko ngayon, the priority is to have this house. So if I let or the world decide for me to change or to upgrade the motorcycle, my scooter, so probably I wouldn't have this house. So maybe next time, always ask yourself, am I doing this for me or am I doing this for them? So, because at the end of the day, ikaw din naman na magbabayad and ikaw din naman yung magdadala or gagamit ng isang bagay. So, ayun lang, stay full and stay grounded.